Matt from the Random Maker here, and today I am here to do another Arduino project based on the lessons provided by Elegoo for their starter kits. If you look at the number above, you can kind of see where you are in the series, and other than that, we're going to flip screens and we'll introduce today's project.
Oh, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna be honest. I almost was going to skip this video, but the problem was it was already starting to bother me because I'd already started filming other videos. That it's like, yeah, but it's gonna be 2.3, 2.5. Where's 2.4? I am doing this really quick lesson showing of lesson part 2, lesson 4, serial monitor for my own sanity and also for others who are completionists people. You will understand that feeling. So let's just get into this and let's just go through what lesson 4 is, serial monitor. All this is going through is the serial monitor is making a connection with your versions of Arduino IDE, and it shows which port is open. So if we go to the tools, we go serial monitor, we get a COM3 right in here, and we can, on the COM port we're using, switch out the baud. I don't know actually what the pronunciation, and it has some limited settings here if you want to get into more proper, like different types of keys and all of that. All right. Now, that's about it with this one, and like I said, I'm doing this for sanity's sake, so I have a complete series. I hope you understand, and until then, let's get making.
Hey, if you liked that video, why don't you hit the like button? If you want to see more content like this and other random projects, hit the subscribe button and follow what the Random Maker is doing. If you have any project ideas and want to see come to life in front of you, put it in the comment section below. We do take a look at all the comments, and whether we reply or not, just we are reading them. I want you to know that. And you know what? Until the next project, Matt from the Random Maker saying, let's get making.